Hi beautiful people, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. Guys, my husband has always been talking about chicken and dumpling, and I'm like, okay, I know how to make that. But when I explain to him, it's a totally different scenario. In Jamaica, chicken and dumpling is two separate pots, but this one he's talking about is a one pot meal. So guys, I'm hoping I can pull this chicken and dumpling recipe off with using some chicken foot. I'm gonna show you in a minute, and some my ideas as soup recipe would be ideal, because take a look outside, it's raining. You see all of that water? As I am thinking that this recipe would be ideal. It is comforting, it is warm, and I think I can do it. So guys, remember, if you're new here to Taste Adjust, subscribe before you go, and like, share this video with your friend. Continue watching to see if I can pull this one pot chicken and dumpling thing off. These are the chicken feet I mentioned earlier. Chicken feet gives stew and soup this gummy texture and a nice chicken flavor that I love, so I thought it would be a great substitute for the chicken breast or the chicken thighs. I'm also using a few drumsticks from the chicken wing because my husband doesn't want the chicken feet to eat. He's like, how do I eat this? So I'm not going to even try to convince him today. To the pot, I'm adding some garlic, mixed herbs, and these are dry herbs, chicken stock, and I'm using the powdered one, and I'm going to pressure this together for about 15 minutes so that these chicken feet will be soft and ready to add to the dumplings later. Guys, this style of dumpling is so foreign, but I am definitely gonna put it together. These are the things that we're gonna need: 1 cup flour, baking powder, ½ teaspoon, salt to taste, parsley finely chopped. That's the dry ingredients. Now let's put the wet ingredients together. In a bowl, I already have some butter. I'm adding some coronation milk and 1 egg. The consistency should be soft. It look like it, don't? Those who know this dumpling thingy, it look like it? Whether or not, it may use. Garlic and bell pepper. Using celery seeds. Here I take a little bit. Okay guys, the chicken feet are ready. Looks good. Now guys, let's make a little roux. I'm adding some flour, and I'm going to just mix everything in. That same chicken feet stock that we made earlier in the pressure cooker, I'm going to add it to these vegetables. Look at how rich this is. And now I'm going to add my sticky dumplings, ensuring that I put them apart from each other. Cover the pot and let it steam. Yeah, everything is looking great. You know guys, I have to add some Jamaican to this, so I need a Scotch bonnet pepper for flavor. And some thyme leaf. Guys, I was removing the bones from the chicken wings, right, to add the meat just like I did right now. And then I look across on the chicken feet. And I'm like, these babies cannot be deboned. They're going in just like that. But it was just funny. These things are so bony, and people would ask, how do you eat all this bone? But to each his own, guys. To each his own. I am doing great so far, but guess what? I need some color in this, so I have some spinach, and I'm going to add that as well. Guys, I don't mean to change your recipe, but I am open to different things, and I love to infuse what I know, which is Jamaican cuisine, into what I cook. And so it just makes it feel more homey and more of what I am used to tasting and eating. So no offense, I don't mean to change your recipe. I'm just adding a part of me in it. All right, so I'm gonna let this just simmer for 2 more minutes, and it is ready. It is ready. Stove off, because this looks good, tastes good, and the chicken feet really gives it this gooiness that I love. Guys, here you have it. This is the end of another incredible recipe, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Happy holidays to you, and I'll see you soon. So good. Peace.